At the end of Midship Drive, where the quiet settles in, there's a house on top of the hill where the light begins. First step through the doorway, the ceiling opens wide. Skylights hold the morning like the sky decided to stay inside. She called it grand the moment she walked in. He smiled and said elegant. Two hearts, one design, a life that unfolded one room at a time. This was the house where the years grew gentle, where kids ran free on a cul-de-sac street. Skateboard ramps and tire swings passed through hills where memories needed. Held every dream they built. This house on top of the hill. 70 candles, tables and chairs, friends and family everywhere. The grand room glowing borrowed light, a lifetime gathered in one night. If these walls could softly say, they'd whisper thanks for every day. Now the rooms feel bigger, the seasons have turned. What once was perfect is gently outgrown, so the keys will pass to younger hands. New footsteps, new plans, let another family raise their song. In Hercules, a place we call home. Still standing proud, still calm, still true. A house that gave everything it knew. On top of the hill, it waits for love to arrive.